Hey there, learners! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the fascinating world of technology and education. Today's big question: can we replace teachers with robots like ChatGPT? It's a topic that's been buzzing around for a while now. Imagine walking into class and seeing a robot at the front instead of your favorite teacher. It sounds crazy, right? But with advancements in AI, this idea isn't as far-fetched as it once seemed. ChatGPT is a super smart computer program. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. You can ask it anything, and it'll give you an answer. From solving math problems to explaining complex scientific concepts, ChatGPT can do it all. It can even write stories and poems. Imagine having a personal assistant that can help you with your homework and creative writing assignments. But does that make it smart enough to be a teacher? Teaching involves more than just providing information. It requires understanding, empathy, and the ability to inspire students. Some people think AI like ChatGPT could be the future of education. They believe it can provide personalized learning experiences and help students at their own pace. Others believe teachers are irreplaceable. They argue that human connection and the ability to adapt to students' emotional needs are crucial aspects of teaching. So let's dive in and explore this futuristic dilemma. Will robots take over our classrooms, or will teachers always hold a special place in education? Stay tuned to find out. Imagine a parrot that has read every book ever written. This parrot can recite information from any book, but it doesn't truly understand the content. It just knows how to repeat what it has read. That's kind of what ChatGPT is like. It's an advanced AI model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data, encompassing a wide range of topics and styles. This extensive training allows it to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. This allows it to understand your questions and generate human-like text in response. Whether you're asking about history, science, or just making small talk, ChatGPT can provide an answer. Think of it like this. You ask ChatGPT, "What is the capital of France?" It processes your question using its vast database of information. ChatGPT then scans through all the information it has learned and replies, "Paris." Pretty cool, huh? It's like having a knowledgeable friend who can answer almost any question. But here's the thing. ChatGPT doesn't actually understand the information. It doesn't have consciousness or awareness. It just knows how to put words together in a way that makes sense. It's following patterns and structures it has learned during its training. It's like a really good actor playing the role of a teacher. The actor can deliver lines convincingly, but they don't necessarily understand the subject matter deeply. ChatGPT is similar in that way. Believe it or not, AI is already being used in classrooms today. There are apps that can help you learn a new language, websites that can grade your essays, and even programs that can create personalized lesson plans. For example, some schools use AI-powered tutoring systems. These systems can track your progress and provide personalized help. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. While this sounds amazing, it's important to remember that AI is just a tool. It can help teachers be more effective, but it can't replace them entirely. Section 4. Teachers versus AI. Who wins? So, can AI really replace teachers? Let's weigh the pros and cons. AI is great at delivering information quickly and efficiently. It can also personalize learning experiences for each student. However, teachers bring so much more to the table. They provide emotional support, build relationships with their students, and create a positive learning environment. Think about your favorite teacher. They probably made you feel supported and encouraged. They might have even inspired you to pursue your passions. Can a robot do that? Not quite. Section 5. The future of learning. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the landscape of education is evolving in ways we could have only imagined a few decades ago. Will robots grade our homework? This question might have seemed like science fiction not too long ago, but today, it's becoming a reality. So, what does the future hold for AI in education? The integration of artificial intelligence in classrooms is not just about automating tasks, it's about enhancing the learning experience. It's likely that AI will play an even bigger role in the future. From grading assignments to providing real-time feedback, AI can help teachers focus more on personalized instruction. We might see more personalized learning experiences, AI-powered tutoring systems, and adaptive learning platforms that cater to each student's unique needs and pace, and even virtual reality classrooms. Imagine being able to explore ancient civilizations or conduct science experiments in a fully immersive environment. However, it's important to remember that technology is just a tool. The human element in education is irreplaceable. The future of education depends on finding the right balance between human interaction and technological innovation. Teachers will always play a crucial role in guiding and mentoring students. What do you think about AI in education? Do you believe it will enhance learning or create new challenges? Let us know in the comments below. Your thoughts and opinions are valuable to us. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content on AI and the future of learning. Stay tuned as we explore more exciting topics in the world of education and technology.